Hi everyone, I'm Shruti and I'm a digital marketer with 5 years of industry experience into this field. And today I'm reviewing NIIT's digital marketing program with GenAI integration. So I will explore it, what is inside, what is best for, and if it suits your career goal or not, right? But the course which I personally recommend is also linked in my the description box, so you can definitely go and check this out as well, and to compare with another courses too, right? But before we talk about the digital marketing course, let's talk real about the digital marketing because it's such a broad field with opportunities in social media, SEO, content writing, Google Ads, email marketing, website optimization, and more, right? But beyond the technical skills, companies will look at your communication, analytical ability, creativity, and of course, your portfolio. And if I talk about the ad agencies, they love creative minds. So any coach should not only teach you the tools, but they should also help you in building your mindset. Basically, if I come to the course now, digital marketing with an AI advanced program, the fees is 65,000 plus 18% GST, and the duration is 23 weeks. And they are even providing you the placement opportunities, and the session is completely mentor-led training, right? So I'm coming to the curriculum first. So the program includes digital marketing fundamentals, mastering social media, influencer marketing, CRM, email, and programmatic advertising, plus a cutting edge module on generative AI, which is a plus point here, and the tools automation. So these are the modules which are required and essential in 2025. And these are topped with a capstone project to build your portfolio. So this is a completely good point here. Now talking about the structure, it is sprint-based learning. The 2 hours of live mentorship followed by 2 hours of practical assignments will be there, as it is mentioned here in this website. So batches are flexible and online, which is making it accessible for working professionals as well. And they are even providing you the placement support. The project showcase is present standout creative work. So these are the case studies and all. And now, if I talk about the trainers, you will learn from the seasoned practitioners through NIIT's training models. They are covering tools like Google Ads, Analytics, Amazon AI content, and roughly there are roughly 40 tools, mapped into the real project simulations. And now they are even advertising the 6.5 LPA placement assistance, and it includes the mock interviews, recruiter outreach. However, the experience were in the public discussions. So you can check out the Google reviews, the Glassdoors, and the Trustpilot as well. We will go through it once. Now talking about the fees, so basically the fees for the 12 to 24 weeks program is 65,000 approx plus 18% GST. And you can pay upfront for a discount and book with a small deposit or choose EMI options as mentioned there. So the down payment will be 61,750 rupees. So there are something you would have to check out with the team. So now NIIT also promises a mastery-based learning with professionals and engineering competencies, along with real project exposure and skills polishing post-program, right? So it is an established training brand. Alumni, let's check the alumni reviews. So basically, the reviews they have mentioned is somewhere positive on their website. Some had good learnings outcomes. Other caution that placement is not guaranteed, right? As always, something due diligence matters. So, if I come to my honest verdict, then the course curriculum is always somewhere good, so I will give it one. The certification and recognition is not clearly mentioned, but they will provide you the NIIT and the Stack Root certification, so I will give it one. The mode of learning is online, completely online, but they do not have any offline classes and all. So I can give it zero point 0.5 because the LMS is not clear. The knowledge of tools and access is somewhere good. I will give it one. And if, sorry, the trainer's expertise and the industry experience is not clearly mentioned, I will give it zero point 0.5. The knowledge of tools and all is somewhere nice. I will give it one. The placement support and career guidance is good, and they're even providing the mock interviews, recruiter connections. But the money back guarantee is not there, so I will give it zero point 0.5 again. The course duration and all is very common. I will give it one. The after course support is emphasized on a structured mastery learning approach. So I will give it one. So the total becomes 8 8.5 out of 10 because they have a strong curriculum, Gen AI focused, real. Then if you want, you can go with this because they have strong curriculum, Gen AI focus, and real tools, emotion, and good placement tie-ins as well. So just keep expectations realistic and validate claims during enrollment, and you can check out with the concerned team as well. Now, if you want a data-driven career force digital marketing training, then you can definitely go with the link in my description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video. And if you have any doubts, just drop them in the comment section. I will reply them one by one. And I will see you in the next video with another topic and another institute review. Till then, thank you for watching.